Okay, hello guys. Today I want to show you how to set up schedule power on and schedule waking up. First, go to setting and alarm, search for SCH and go to schedule power on, off and restart. You can set the power on, schedule power on, what day you want, what time you want. Okay, and right click, yeah, and done. And power off for schedule power off. Can do the same. What time you want to your device power off, what time your device will auto power on. And schedule restart, I think, is more to only improve phone performance. You can see set schedule restart to improve your phone performance. Okay, you can use this one, or you can just toggle off, either you want or not. Okay, so if system doesn't responding to what you set, just checking for this one, add the alarm and goes for 4 a.m. Okay, just like that, and restart your phone. Restart your phone for after you set up all the schedule power on power off for the first time. Okay, next time if you change the system setting, you need to restart and you are good to go. I hope you can follow my tutorial, just a bit tutorial, and that's all. Thanks for watching. This is for phone, Infinix phone. Okay, Infinix Brand Phone.